Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I was thinking about creating a monthly to-do list because I am just writing all my to-do list, something like this in these kind of pads, and this is just a half day has been completed. Can you see it? And this is almost full, and it could not be good if I use this small pad. So I was thinking about, and also when I complete the day, I just remove it and it's just gone. So I was thinking to manage all those things so I could also, if I have to see those things back, so I can easily do that. So that's why I am thinking to create that. So first of all, I'll start with designing. So first thing that I did is I chose a design from free pick and I downloaded this one because I like this one. If you like something else, you can download it and you just have to search it to-do list and you'll get a lot of designs from this website and you can download it for free. So I just downloaded this one because I like it the most. So you can also change it if you want something else, like if you want to edit this one, if you want to add something else, like if I want the Feb, because this is the month for Feb is going on, so I can write Feb to-do list or something like this. So you can add, you can change, you can do something in this, and then you can go to the export and you can download the file that you like, PNG or PDF, whatever you want, you can download it from here. And after doing that, I have designed the front page and the back page, how it should look like the covers. I designed the covers, and I have also downloaded this, and I'm gonna download the first page. You can just edit it. I just make it simple, nothing. I added the elements from here, from the side one, and I deleted uh, the thing that is in the middle of the page. I deleted that, and I have added this quote. So, and I also made the front page something like this. Like here, it's very easy to create in this free pick editor, so it's very easy. So I am in the affinity photo, and what I did, let me show you. I have downloaded this first one and I have done something like this. This is a A4 size landscape, and I put the first one on the right side and the second one on the left side. These are the pages. And now let's see the cover. So this is the cover. So 2025 to-do list Feb. So this is the cover. So I have to print it. So let's see the printing. Okay, so the pages are coming out of the printer. So the pages, not the cover yet. So just let me, I have printed eight pages, and I'll turn them like from behind. I'll print 8 pages again, and then it will be like 32 pages. Okay, and on one I'll print the cover, so it will be like 30 pages and with uh, two covers, like front and back. But I think I have to go 7 pages, so it will be 7 into 4, 28. So 28 days and 28 pages, and one just for cover. So it would be better if I go 7 pages. Right, 7 pages. This page is a bit hard, so I'll use this paper as the cover. So this is thin and this is just a bit thick, so it will work good as a cover. Okay, all done. So now it's time for printing on the other side. So it came something like this, and I'll add, like it came something like this, I'll add something like this. Okay, let's see. Okay, I have to use my both of the hands. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I have to turn it off. The first page is ready, something like this. So it would be like first page, and second page, third page, fourth page, not like this. We'll manage it just a bit later. Let me print all those first. So just a bit slow printer. I know this is slow. Now is the last one, the cover. Everything is printed. Just one more thing, the cover, and I cannot wait to see it. Let me see all the things at the same time. Oh my gosh, looks very cute. The cover and the pages. So let's bind them together. It's time to fold all of the pages one by one, something like this. We can't cheat, we have to go one by one from the first page to the last one. Also the cover. Okay, now all folded, and let me arrange all those things together, something like this. Okay, now it's ready. The cover, the pages, and the last page of the cover, and we just need to staple. Now it's time to staple, and while doing this, okay, the first one, second one, okay. So here's the to-do list. The book of the to-do list of Feb is completed. How cute is this? Thanks for watching. My to-do list is ready, and I am very excited to see yours. See you. Bye.